Hey guys, so a lot of people ask like how we fold our stuff in the store. They always see us with these things, folding board. So I'm just gonna give you a quick rundown on how to make it super easy. More likely than not, you've ordered from us before. Probably gotten something in a box similar to this. For our folding board, it's like roughly 9 inches by like 11 inches. It's just super helpful to use this. You know, obviously in the store we want to keep everything neat, keep everything uniform, but I found it super helpful if you travel a lot. Everything will fit a little more easily in your suitcase. You can stack everything more uniformly in your closet. And so I'm just kind of trimming it down. Again, roughly 9 by 12. It's rectangular, you can, fold it. So you can fold it in hamburger or hot dog, depending on like the depth of your cupboard in your closet. What's the word for that? Like a drawer. If you're putting it in a drawer, depends how like
shelves?
Yeah, like a shelf in your closet, how much room you have on your shelf or in your drawer. So you can fold it either way. So it helps if it's rectangular. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tape it. It'll help with not catching like any snags on the clothing. Yep. Well, Canoe Club, this is Chase. Yeah, we're open till 6. Yeah, you're welcome. And keep taping. And again, this will just help so like don't get any like snags or any cardboard fibers on your clothes. Doesn't have to be super complicated. You can use like packing tape. We use this so it's on brand. So if you've worked in retail, worked in a store at all, you're already well acquainted with this little trick. Okay. So you've got it taped off. You got it in your shape. Pretty easy. So put like the front facing side down. Want to have everything flat. I'm going to line up the center of the board, like the center of the collar. Fold over one side. Fold over the sleeves. And then depending here how much room you have, you can do like 2 folds. This is hamburger. Hot dog. And hot dog. So that's that. It's our folding board. Super helpful, super easy. I think you'll find it'll save you a lot of time doing laundry, putting stuff away. See ya.